Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a simple and delicious coconut bean curry served with fluffy rice. This recipe is easy to prepare and perfect for a comforting family meal. I prepared my ingredients while cooking my rice separately and sauteed my onions and my spices. When I was adding my tomatoes is when I found that I was not fuming. So my tomatoes are ready and soaked. I'm going to add my beans, mix well with the sauce. Stir well and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And now this is my favorite part, pouring the coconut cream. I just diluted it slightly to create a smooth and creamy curry. Stir in everything together and let it simmer for a few minutes so all the flavors combine beautifully. This coconut bean curry is creamy and comforting, full of delicious flavor and easy meal that the whole family can enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed my recipe, please like, comment and subscribe for more simple homemade meals. See you in my next recipe. Bye.